May I help you?
Yes, the Esther Locker, please.
Who?
The Esther, the Kiss, the locksmith.
What's your name?
Garris.
How do you spell it?
K-Pad.
I'm sorry. Are you speaking English? Because I don't understand.
On the narcissist.
Are you speaking English?
Like se please.
I don't understand what you're saying.
Medicare.
What is your phone number?
Nombre.
Yes. Telephone.
In English.
Yes, please.
Tour, Eins, Akari.
You're not speaking English. I only speak English.
On the powers, on the keys that locked out the cars, on the automobile.
Yes, I understand that, but I need your name.
Name is Iris.
Okay. What is your phone number?
Nombre.
Yes.
Numero. Akaris.
I don't understand that. I need your phone number.
Yes, the keys in the automobile, please.
I understand that, but I need your phone number.
Yes, the local Arab is in the car. No, my family, please.
What is your phone number? Telephone.
Telephone?
Yes.
The locksmith cars on the windows, please. The breakers, I fake or anything. On the narcissist, on the cherish powers 106, please.
Oh, my God.
Yes, on the Lord, please. Light it up.
Just give me your phone number. I'll have someone call you back.
It's 6 7 3
Okay.
8 3 Cares.
I have 8
Morifel Bansona.
No, I don't understand. I'm not done. 8. Hold on.
Okay, please.
What's the last number?
My car is in the car, please. In the knock and say fake on a carro, say.
Okay, so I'm trying to help you. You said 8. What is your post nombre?
Que car is in the horse, me Bauer, please.
You said your keys are locked?
Our keys, yes, the keys are on the car. Si fini carros.
Okay.
Jack Flasher Zero.
I'll page him and locksmith will call
On the
you.
please.
Okay.
Okay, my things are your mouth, please.
Excuse me?
Yes, my nose.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Ma quero si fanny que o morro se caeta, eu monta in caeta e bem se quero. No better, thank you, please.
Okay, thank you.
Para ensinar essa place store.
Mm-hmm.